Hello, good morning, everyone. Today being on the 21st of November, Thursday, 2024, I've already funded another $10, and this morning we are going to be on the challenge once more of growing $10 across $100, and let's see what we can be able to do. So, without wasting time, I'm going to be selecting the currency pair, and here we are going to be going down here for 1 minute. I'll be selecting the currency pair where we are going to enter the first trade, and the first trade has already been placed here, as you can see. Let me extract the movement of the trade. If we're on profit currently, we have less than, you can say, 40 seconds, and we are going to be on profit. So let's see what we can be able to do this morning in the journey of growing $10 across $100. So let me explain the reason for my decision over here. The market has been going bearish, and looking at the stochastic oscillator we are using here, the red line is lying below the red line of the stochastic oscillator, which is the 30%. And with that, I strongly believe that the market is going to continue going down for some time. And also the position of this moving average, it is positioned in a way that it doesn't support buying for now, because it's going bearish, it's falling flat with the red candles, and that shows that the market is going to be going down. The market has already entered on profit. We now have $19 in the account. So we are going to be using OR, and I will select another currency pair. Let's see how the trade is going to turn out to be. Here we are going to be coming down here too for 1 minute, and this is the reason for my decision over here. Let me also mark and then explain the reason why I say let's go down here for 1 minute. As you can see over here, the market touched overbought recently. And what did I used to say? I say whenever the market touch overbought, it's going to make a rebound and sellers will be on the move. So it make correction to the moving average line, not quite long, and then I strongly believe that it's going to maintain the bearish movement till it touch this oversold before there will be a reversal in the market, and that is the reason why I entered the market on the selling side. So let's wait and see what become of the trade. In less than 17 seconds, the fate of our trade is going to be out. So stay by me and let's see what we can be able to do. This is more about skill, like I used to tell people. If you know this, you have known something. So paying 10,000, 20,000 to learn this, I don't think is something that is too expensive for this skill. Now I'm not going to be gambling again. Let's use $7. We can still come down here for 1 minute. This is not a gambling. This is something you can learn over time. Take your time and learn forex and learn trading. This is option. I will teach you this with just 20,000 naira. I will be able to take my time and take you through the basic foundation you need. Here, let's track the movement of the trade. We'll have less than 30 seconds for this particular trade to close. And I strongly believe the market is going to sell, because my strategy tells me that it is going to sell. And why? Because the market is leaving the buying side, going to the selling side. And the moving average is about crossing the red candle, which I used to say that whenever it crosses the red candle, the market will always sell. And that is the reason why I decided to sell in the market. We have less than 7 seconds and we'll be on profit. And as you can see, live before you, we are on profit once again. This is becoming the third trade of the day. From $10 in your presence just now, just in 4 minutes, we have made $43. And that's how it is. I'm going to be increasing our investment to $13. And at this point, we can go down here for 1 minute still, because the market has not touched the oversold. It is still coming from the buying side. So I strongly believe that this market is going to make a strong move on the selling side, because there is a strong buying trend before the current movement on the market. So let's wait and see what becomes of our decision. This is becoming the fourth trade of the day, and as you can see, to God be the glory we are on profit. This is a skill worth learning, and if you are serious, I'll be able to teach you this with just 20,000 naira. If you don't have the 20,000, come to my DM, we can discuss and we can talk about it. This is just life before you right now. Just now. Just now, we are able to take $10 to $55 right now, as you can see, right from here. So this is a skill worth learning, like I said. With 20,000 naira, I'll be able to add you to my mentorship program, and there you will learn how to trade. I will be reducing it to $5, or let me use $15 rather, and see what we can be able to do. At this point, I strongly believe the market will still be going down, so I will still say at this point. So wait, let's see what become of the trade in the nearest time. It's as if the trade was not initiated. So since if the trade is not initiated and the market has already touched oversold, I'm not going to be selling here again. Let's look for another currency pair and see what we can be able to do here. Let's go up here for 1 minute. And this is the reason for my decision. Like I used to say, that whenever the moving average support a buying candle from the bottom, it means that the market tends to go up for some time. If you also look at the stochastic oscillator, the moving average is above the 70% green line. So I strongly believe that the market is going to be making move in the uptrend. So let's wait and see what become of the trade. The trade is running currently, and we have less than 30 seconds for it to close, be it on profit or on loss. You are going to see it, you watch it live. Still stay by me as we take the profit out of the market. I strongly believe the market is going to make move in the uptrend because of the position of this moving average. This moving average you are seeing here, because of this, I strongly believe it's going to be on the winning side. So wait and let's see what become of it. Boom, we are on profit right again. So live with your presence just now, from $50, we are able to arrive at $69 right now. And I'll be reducing our investment to $9. And at this point, I'm going to be selling here with $9. So let's see what become of the trade. And this is the reason for my decision. Like I used to say, that whenever the moving average is positioned below a coming down candle, there is every possibility that the coming down candle will come and make correction to the moving average line. That is, it is going to come and meet with the moving average line. And that is the reason why I entered the trade on selling. It's going to make correction to it. Just wait and see. Let's track the movement. We have less than 30 seconds now. The trade is going to close on profit. So, to God helping, this morning, life before you, I'm able to take $10 to $19, from $19 to $37. If I use $7, we got $13. We use $13 to get $25, $15 to $28. And right currently, we have $9 trade running, and it's on profit now of $17. So we have $77 in the account. So what are we going to do now? We are going to reduce it to $7. I am trading with a good risk management. I strongly believe the market will be coming down more than this point. So here I entered a selling trade once again, because the moving average has just crossed a red candle. And like I used to say, that whenever the moving average crosses a red candle, there will always be a downtrend. And that is the reason why I entered the market on what? On selling. So we have less than 30 seconds. This particular trade also is going to close on profit. So let's wait and see what become of the trade. Like I said, with just 20,000 naira, I will take my time and teach you this. Learning this will be the best decision you will ever make or do to yourself in life. Don't let the money for the mentorship program stop you from having this super skill. This is the 7th trade this morning, and as you can see, no loss. You are under somebody that know how to trade very, very well, and I can be able to do a good help for you. We are now at $84 from $10. and I'm going to be, let's make use of $14. And at this point, I strongly believe the market is going to break down the zone here because it crosses the red candle recently. So the market will still be making a move in the down trend, still going down because it has not touched the oversold yet. But because I already tapped it, but because of network or so, it does not be reflected. So I'm going to be avoiding the currency pair. If you observe very well, here we are going to be going up for 1 minute, and this is the reason why I say we should go up here. Let me explain. Like I used to say, that whenever the moving average is support a buying candle from the bottom, it means that the market is going to what? Is going to buy, and that is the reason why I enter the market on the buying side. So let's wait and see what will become of the trade. We have still more than 30 seconds for the trade to run. So let's wait and see what become of the fit of this trade. So you already know the reason why I entered the market on the buying side. Like I said, that whenever the moving average, which is the yellow line you are seeing, support a buying candle from the bottom, it means that the market is going to go up for some time, and that is the reason why I entered the market like that. So let's wait. In less than 8 seconds, the trade is going to close. If care is not taken, we might lose the trade because of how slow it's moving. Boom, this particular one turned out to be a loss. Now, I am going to do a good analysis, and then we'll be over $100. So I'll be using $30 out of this for a decision, and let's see what is going to become of that particular trade. I'm going to be checking up another currency pair. Let me see the behavior over there. I missed an entry here, so I'm not going to be re-entering the market. Trading is the best skill that you can ever learn to help yourself. So if you have the opportunity to learn it as low as this budget, don't misuse the opportunity. That's my advice for you. I'm waiting for the market to position itself in the best way that I can be able to buy or sell, because I don't just take my trade. I have a strategy, and that strategy I always trade by it and I wait for it. As you can see, this is the 8th trade. We just lost one trade. From $10, we have already made $60 this morning. That is, we have already made more than 100,000 naira in just 13 minutes, as you can see. And I am going to take this across $100 right now. Just stay by me and see what we can be able to do.